Hi guys, مرحبا يا شباب. معكم عمر Nassra. This is Omar speaking, and today guys we're gonna do some basic phrases. So this is very important for somebody who is traveling to the Middle East, or somebody is just learning Arabic and the basic. So if you are Arabic learners who is a beginner, you will find this super useful. If you are intermediate, also will find it super good and useful because you're gonna go through the main stuff. If you're advanced, I suspect you will find it super easy, but this video for mainly beginners and intermediate who studying Arabic and خاصة especially العامية شامي Arabic dialect. ماشي يلا. So the first phrase ممكن. So you can see in Arabic it has two letters, mim, then kaf and nun. In English, ممكن. It means can I have. So like you can say, can I have tea? Or can I have coffee? So can I have coffee, please? So coffee in Arabic is ahweh. Please is لوسمحت. So can I have coffee, please? ممكن ahweh لو سمحت. This is for a male. ممكن ahweh. You see? ممكن ahweh لو سمحت. لو سمحت, please. So again, how can you say can I have coffee, please? ممكن ahweh لو سمحت. Now do it again with me. ممكن ahweh لو سمحت. ممتاز. Now this is in Arabic. ممكن الحساب لو سمحت. So ممكن الحساب لو سمحت. So if you studied Arabic for a while, you must know this. If you're a beginner, I forgive you. This means can I have the bill, please? So if you're in a restaurant or in any place and you want to ask for the bill, you can say ممكن, can I have. الحساب is the bill. حساب لو سمحت. So again, ممكن الحساب لو سمحت. Can I have the bill, please? ممكن الحساب لو سمحت. Okay. That is also very important super Arabic phrase. Take me to the main station. So like means take me to the main station. Let's say you are in Dubai or in somewhere in Jordan, in Amman, let's say, and you want to go to the main station in Amman, and you want to say it in Arabic to the taxi driver, then you can say خدني عالمحطة الرئيسية. So خدني is take me in Arabic. عالمحطة to the station. الرئيسية main. So you notice here adjectives in Arabic comes after nouns. So in English, take me to the main station. In Arabic will be take me to the station. To the station main. So خدني على المحطة الرئيسية. Now one more time, say it after me. خدني على المحطة الرئيسية. Remember, number 2 represent hamza, sound. Number 7 represent the h letter. Number 3 represent ain sound. Now you ask me why you have numbers in phonetic. Because in English language, these letters does not exist. So it's easy to put numbers. And this way it's easy to know that this is Arabic letter or throaty letters, like number 3 represent ain, al, mahal. And number 7 is ha, and you can see that in Arabic. Okay, let's read that first. حابب ضل هون قديش باليوم. So حابب ضل هون قديش باليوم. So first حابب means I would like. حابب. Then to stay, which is I stay, ضل. هون here. So حابب ضل هون. That's perfect like in English. قديش باليوم. Well, how much means قديش in Arabic. باليوم per day. So حابب ضل هون قديش باليوم. So if you want to say in Arabic, I would like to stay here. Let's say you are in a hotel or in a hostel and you like this place and you want to say that, you say I would like to stay here. How much per day? حابب ضل هون قديش باليوم. تمام. على عيني. This is a super useful phrase. You will hear this a lot in Middle East, no matter you are in Syria and in Dubai, in Iraq, in Saudi Arabia, doesn't matter. You will hear على عيني. على عيني means in English, it is my pleasure. That's the equivalent meaning. So على عيني. But if you translate word by word, على means on, عيني my eye. So on my eye, it doesn't make any sense if you do it literally. But the whole thing represents as a meaning, as a phrase, على عيني, it's my pleasure in Arabic language. So let's say you are in the restaurant and you're asking for food or coffee. Let's say you're asking the waitress, ممكن ahweh لوسمحت. So can I have coffee please? He will reply على عيني. It's my pleasure. It means yes. You can say shukran, or he might ask as well, or you might ask him ممكن شاي لو سمحت. Can I have tea please? He might reply, or he will reply to you على عيني. So على عيني. Even friends, if somebody asks you for a favor and you accept that, you can say that على عيني. Like can you borrow me your car, whatever? Oh, على عيني. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا means you are welcome. So it's mainly used actually if somebody come to you to your house, you can say to them that أهلا وسهلا. In informal and in informal way, even when somebody important comes to your office, you can say أهلا وسهلا. So it's used actually as you are very welcome, or as well like you are very welcome, come in. That's like I'm happy to see you. أهلا وسهلا. Okay, so أهلا وسهلا. And notice here is a soft H. أهلا وسهلا. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick class. Make sure if you like this kind of style to comment below and subscribe, and make sure to press the bell so to have the new classes, the new Nassra Arabic method style, and please share your opinion. يلا مع الدرس الجديد. بشوفكن يا شباب.